This example of GameStop stock chart will provide an extreme case study in terms of more major price movements. Similar to the previous BYND example, a large downtrend ends with a moderate upswing and retracement, providing the basis for a fib extension to cover a rapidly accelerating uptrend. Unlike the previous BYND example, the uptrend constantly breaches and surpasses multiple extension levels. Such an aggressive trend calls for a large base trend. A major landmark, such as the break of a channel, provides suitable points for points 2 and 3. It is similar to how a major continuation pattern like an ascending triangle can identify suitable swing points for a fib extension during the development of a rapid uptrend. Similar to the Bitcoin example, a rapid and large-scale trend during historic market conditions often tends to have fib levels constantly adjusted regardless of the fib technique being used. Similar to the previous BYND example, a broader range for a regular fib retracement can produce wider proportions to cover a major shift in the market. Unsurprisingly, even these wider proportions are only useful for a limited time. Given the price action in March 2019, it was adequate to use the sharp downswing that continued the larger downtrend after the brief pause into a bullish to neutral range from early 2018. A better alternative would have been to capture the even sharper and more significant price action before and during the gap down that made a long-term downward continuation more likely. The 1.618 area is normally an area of strong opposition. In this case it was, but it was still necessary to observe short-term price action in the context of the large downtrend. This saw a bearish build-up gradually forming lower swing points through the 1.618 level. In the case of the 2.618 level, it was also crucial to watch how support flattened the downtrend and led to more bullish formations towards April 2020. Even with the benefit of hindsight and a large fib retracement, it is realistic to still miss major reversals with fib levels given the extreme conditions. Most noticeable is the upswing towards March 2021 that could still be identified as a strong range of support by referencing the area around the break of the upward channel. This highlights how even basic technical analysis can supplement for the shortcomings of fib techniques and other methods during extreme conditions.